Oh my gosh. There's a waterfall. Holy cow.
Yeah, there's
little one up top.
I think there's like 7 waterfalls here.
Is that one up top or is that just a tree?
No. Oh, that one up there? No, there's just 2 there.
Oh.
And there's more of. Oh my gosh.
Oh, melee.
Hi, and welcome back to A Couple of Kiddos.
Or if you're new here, welcome.
I'm Tim.
And I'm Clarissa.
We're in Narnia.
Narnia! We started off our day 3 of our Hawaii vlog
Yes.
in Narnia.
Yes.
There's 7 waterfalls. Beautiful.
Yes,
beautiful.
we hiked down from, I don't know, like a 12-minute drive from where we're staying
yeah.
in Hilo. Just a nice little hike pathway up here, and it leads right over to these
beautifulness.
Yes, multiple waterfalls here. It looks like we can climb down. There's some pools that we might be able to swim in. We're gonna bring you guys along.
Let's go!
Yeah. Now look at this. Hello!
We made it.
We made it over to where we're gonna try swimming. Look at this place. Wow, we got a waterfall over here. Big old waterfall, and it keeps going up and up, and there's multiple waterfalls. How many waterfalls do you think?
I think there were 7.
7, yeah. Experienced hikers coming around here.
I had experience and I still made it, but it was a little difficult for me.
Yeah, it was difficult, but we managed, taking our time. Hello. All right, here we go. We're gonna get in the water.
It's cold.
Here we go. Woo!
Is it that cold?
It's shocking.
I wish the sun will come out.
I know. Maybe tomorrow.
Oh, just gotta.
Okay. It's a little shocking when you first get in.
Yeah.
It's good. Well, it looks like underwater, guys. Alright. Fine. It's fine.
Oh my god. We're in Narnia!
Go to the waterfall. to dinner.
Yes, like we didn't say what happened with Narnia. Narnia was beautiful, as you
Yes.
saw. We had a great time.
Uh-huh.
And we came back to a little surprise. Someone broke a rental car window when we got back. So that kind of sucked. But we got that all taken care of.
Yeah.
And now it's time for some yummy, yummy food.
We got Mai Tais.
Yep. We haven't got any Mai Tai yet. We've been in Hawaii.
So you got a specialty one that has guava.
Yes, I love guava.
And I got the classic to start. Got fruit. Look at those garnishes.
It is really good.
Ooh, that's
So
good.
good. So shout out to my mom. My mom's a big Mai Tai drinker.
Yeah.
So cheers, mother.
So we got some poo-poos coming.
Yes, we got some boo-boos. I got the pork sliders,
Jalapeno poppers for me.
and then we got some food ordered too. So food is next.
Yeah. Alright. Travis is gonna eat the garnish. What is it?
A flower.
An orchid?
I don't know.
Flower.
I already ate 3 of them, so. They're not bad.
Alright. I'm trying Travis's creamy asparagus with bacon soup. Look at that.
Shouldn't I have done that?
Ooh. Oh man. That's so good. It's cheesy. It's like almost like a chili. Like the
Tastes like chili.
the thickness of it. It tastes like chili. That's so good. That's really good.
Appetizers are
Alright.
in.
Appetizers, or in Hawaii they're called poo-poo.
Yes. I got the pork sliders. One's a lilikoi jalapeno, which lilikoi is passion fruit.
Yeah.
And then the other one is pineapple barbecue.
Those look good.
They come in like little pink
Yeah, it's like a pink
Hawaiian
bread.
rolls.
A little Hawaiian pink roll.
Oh my god, sorry. We have a really skinny table here, so I'm just gonna take a bite real fast.
Yeah. Slider.
So that's the pineapple one. That's good. That's really good. The sweetness with the pork. Fantastic. I do
It's like a
like
sweet and sour pork.
But I think for the
It's got
wait. This one has pineapple. Was that the jalapeno one, or I think it might have been the lilikoi jalapeno. This one's pineapple in here.
Oh, okay.
Let me see. Was that the passion fruit?
Yeah.
I think this one's just pineapple. I think the other sweetness, it was much more sweet than the passion fruit.
They both taste very similar to me.
I get there's a little, not kick, but there's like a little more flavor in the lilikoi jalapeno one.
Yeah. I didn't get any heat from the jalapeno.
I didn't get any heat to jalapeno either, but it's
Yeah.
tasty.
Yeah, there's like different types of sweetness. There's the pineapple, the Kahlua pork, the Hawaiian roll. It's real. That was really good.
It was really
choice.
good, yeah.
And it comes the appetizer comes with 2, right?
Yeah, there's two of them in there. You can do one or the other. I got one of each choice. So it's 2 for $6 during happy hour. And happy hour is from 3 to 5.
I got jalapeno poppers. These
Ginormous.
are massive, and they've got sauce on them. I think I'm gonna have to cut one in half with a
They're
fork.
huge.
Fork and knife here. All right.
Show the cross section of it. They're
Look
like,
at that. All right. Wow.
I want to try.
Are you gonna try it?
Jalapeno popper. It's a popper.
Yeah.
Is it spicy?
Can I try it, Tim?
Yes, it's good. It's a very fresh jalapeno. So it's got still that fresh crunch of the jalapeno. Very creamy. That breading is really good.
Yeah, the breading is.
And it's got like bacon bits inside.
That's
Oh yeah.
good. That's really
I might
good.
suggest using a fork and knife to
Yeah,
eat it.
that was really, really messy.
Really messy, but it was
We
so
both got
good.
messy things, but it's delicious.
Yeah, 2 for 2 so far. Yeah.
So we
This
still
is
have
great.
our entree, then we ordered more drinks.
Yes. Let's continue eating.
Continuing on.
All right, Mai Tai number 2. This time I got a flavored one. This was a mango.
I think my guava flavored one was delicious.
Yeah, she's a guava. I love mango.
Good.
Oh,
Some of the big mango thing.
ooh, that's tasty.
That's
good.
really good.
Yeah, not as tart as like the pineapple one would have been. Yeah, that's super
Really toned
smooth.
down with that mango.
Super smooth. And happy hour for $7. Way to go.
Yeah. So I got the margarita now, and guess what it is? Guava.
Guava margarita.
It's so pretty.
Yeah, I don't think we've had that on the mainland.
It's my
try it.
new favorite thing. I think it's my new
Wow.
favorite drink.
I might have to get that next. They have multiple, like a multitude of flavors.
This is so sweet and like
It tastes tequila. Is it good with the salt? And they have a sugar option too. Amazing.
I'm obsessed with it.
Yeah.
Our food actually came
Yeah,
as
take
well.
a look. I got the Hilo specialty platter, which comes with some Kahlua pork, coleslaw, jasmine rice, and Kalbi ribs. Which you got something similar, but you got a lot more ribs than I did. I want to try this Kahlua pork. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. Oh, that's so sweet and salty. Oh my god. Oh man, there's like, it's almost crispy, like the nice glaze on it. And then, see if I can take a bite out of this rib for you. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, that is so good. You got like 12 of them.
Well, I got the Kalbi dish, so mine comes with 4 ribs without the pork, just some garlic mash, and I don't know what the salad was. Just like a
Coleslaw.
oh yeah, it was a coleslaw. I remember now. Coleslaw. Let me see. I'll start with the coleslaw first, because they know I'm a coleslaw fanatic. There's like pineapple juice in it. It's like, it's really good. It's like a sweet coleslaw. That was a little bit of the garlic mashed potatoes.
Oh yeah.
I love mashed potatoes. Those are good. Especially when they have the red potato with the skins on it still. Delicious. And now, what I've been waiting for.
Oh yeah, look at that.
I'm going flying. So good. So good. Come to Pineapples if you're around here, for sure. It's in the downtown Hilo area, so it's around everything over here. So we're gonna eat up and enjoy our food.
I got the seafood pasta.
I missed it.
Is it good?
So good.
I got tahini. No, but it's a watermelon Mai Tai. They have them at tahini.
Ooh, watermelon? A little spicy?
Good.
It was a hard, long day, but
Yeah.
so worth the day. The hike to Narnia was fantastic.
Yeah.
The food we had at Pineapples, delicious. It was so great, but there's more to come.
Yes.
So make sure that you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed already, give us a big thumbs up if you like this video, and ring that notification bell for more videos like this. and follow us at
Couple of Kiddos.
Until next time, aloha!